Well, it's Friday and I guess that means I'm doing another garden video. Today, let's look at my shed roof, shall we? All right, when we moved in, we had a 10 by 10 shed, a real nice shed that had a roof with a gigantic hole in it. And I had this weird dream of having a green roof. So what a perfect opportunity that was. We had a handyman essentially build out a tray. This whole thing is lined with a pool liner, and it's pretty shallow. And I fill it with a mix of potting soil and perlite, which is very lightweight. And then I make sure to fertilize it. A lot of this is sedums. The only native plant up here right now are the prickly pear that are doing absolutely beautifully, and they will be blooming soon. And I had my first prickly pear fruit last year. It's going to be lot of geeky fun. This is the side that is not seen from the street. It's also the shadier side, and the plants are happier here. But we have a number of sedums and some phlox, ajuga, hens and chicks, of course the prickly pear. I had some thyme up here. The thyme died, but the thyme died in my herb garden too, which is kind of weird for it to do after a couple years. But going to the other side, this is the sunnier side. This is the side from the street. It's filling out rather nicely too, but it just doesn't have quite the variety, although some of the other sedums are growing just fine on this side. So we have some drainage here, drainage pipe. We also have one in the back. They need a little tweaking, but for the most part, they're fantastic. They just drain it right away. And I've really enjoyed having this thing. This is totally geeky, but I absolutely love it. And I see the birds on it. They don't really mess with it. I'm hoping this sedum that's absolutely taking over will help with weed control. And this is my third growing season. So get ready to see a lot of pictures of prickly pear in bloom. Anyway, happy Friday. Happy gardening.